Dazai, what are you doing? Oh, Dazai. Dazai! That was water. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, your coat too. Anyway, Dazai Cannon? Dazai Cannon? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hi guys, Dazai here. I'm passing the phone to Chuya.
Oh my god, that scared me! It went by so fast! Hi people, what's up? What's up? Is your booty wet now? Oh, is your booty wet now?
I actually don't know. Maybe it is. Okay, it is.
It is!
Cutely climbs. Oh, it's too hot to climb the fence. I can't climb this fence, it's too hot.
Oh my god. My fingers are burnt.
It's so hot.
Okay, wait. I bet I could do it.
You bet you could do it?
I bet I could do it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh god, how do I? Oh god!
Have you never climbed a fence before,
No,
Chuya?
I do. I just not chained one.
Oh, it's because you have gloves on. Here, give me your gloves. Give me your gloves.
Okay.
Take the vlog.
Check this out. Custom made gear.
How am I gonna climb the fence without gloves?
I don't want to give you my gloves.
Fine. Burn my hands alive. I know. Ignore the Lumity socks.
Where did you get those? Posting this on Feet Finder, bro.
Bro. It's too hot to climb the fence. It's too hot.
I don't think you should do it with your stomach.
It's too hot.
I'm gonna go take a little dip. Okay, that seems very unsanitary and it feels like it's like dyed blue. Oh my god, and it's warm too! No, it's not worth it! Cameraman.
You're the best.
Out of everyone that's like held this camera.
Ice.
Come on.
I'm coming!
I feel like a cat. Go head first. Using your whiskers. Or you could have just walked over there.
Yeah, we climbed the fence for nothing. We committed a crime for nothing.
Just take a little walk over here.
We caught it.
America!
Yeah! No wait, we're from Yokohama, Japan.
It's America now.
We're here fighting the guild. Yeah, real.
I want to go on there. What the flip? I want to go on there.
Hello.
Thinking of multiple names to call you right now. Every single one's going through my head. Oh, what's the most offensive thing I can call you?
I don't think I'm doing this right.
Yeah, you really don't. Get up! Get up!
There's literally two.
I want that one though.
Ow, my skin.
Come on. I'm gonna place this there.
What do you think you're doing?
Get up! Oh! Stop! My hat! See what you've done?
I'm not going
I'm actually pushing with all my might.
5 minutes later.
Look at him. So this is a subordinate I tried to create, but he's not very good at being a subordinate. For example, you put him against the pony. The pony stabs him, and Octagawa dies.
Beautiful angle of you.
Is it?
No.
My princess pony. Chuya, play princess ponies with me.
Okay. Oh my god, it's a store.
Let's play princess ponies at the store.
Okay. Come on, Octagawa. Come on. What the flippity flap and diggity dap do you want from me?
You're role playing wrong. That's not what he sounds like. He hasn't coughed once. Hey, Octagawa.
He's a werewolf.
I don't love you.
Does I know?
Excuse me, what the flip?
I'm here to say I disown you as my subordinate and I hate you forever and ever.
Oh.
Atsushi is better than you.
Rashomon!
Yeah. There you go. My princess pony! Chuya, you're not playing fair.
Sir, this is a Wendy's.
Can you get the mulch out of my pony's hair? Thank you, Julia.
That's how you do it.
You gotta be nicer to her than that. Look what you did to my pony's hair. Her hair was beautiful this morning. I don't want to play anymore.
Her hair fell out. LOL. Oh my god, what is that? Ooh. Ooh, I want to go on. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Come on, Octogawa. Don't worry, it's okay. Shut up, bro. Shut up. He's going on a ride. You having fun? Oh. Shut up! I swear to God!
Look how short Chuya is.
It's warm water. It sucks.
Then why didn't you try the top one? Look at how short he is. Look at him. Look at that man. Look at that man. Oh, abba, dabba. Abba, dabba. Abba. I'm leaving.
I'm right behind you.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Get away from me. Get away from me. We're gonna play hide of seek. The person who's counting has the camera.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. I'm counting to like, I don't know, 100.
Eventually.
98, 99, 100. Ready or not, here I come. Where the throw is in that stupid tube? Okay, I know you're in a slide now. So slick. I think he's too tall for it to like. I think bro did change. Wee! Oh my god! Ah!
I win.
Tummy.
What?
Tummy hurt.
Tummy hurt?
Flip you.
I was in the slide. You're right. I was in the tallest slide until I waited for a time when I knew I'd be out of view and went down the slide and ran over here.
I knew you did that. Ah. Hey, it's my turn.
I want to climb.
Well, it's my turn.
I want to climb, Shuya.
You're not gonna get it.
Ha! You're short. You're short. 1, 2, 3, 91, 91, 92, 93, 94, 100. I gotta find Chuya Nakahara. Poor mafia executive. Oh,
I was just sitting in there the whole time. Come on, Pookies. Come on. You're my favorites. I hate this guy. I don't want to be around with this guy, please. You see, do you guys know what I'm gonna do to him?
oh no, what are you saying?
You know what I'm gonna do to him now that he's like laying down? I'll let you think about it for just a second.
What is happening? I'm up now. I don't trust you.
I'm not gonna do anything.
I feel like Chuya's gonna do something.
I swear I'm hanging out with a child.
Ah, this is nice. Chuya? Chuya? I'm concerned. What's happening?
Octogawa!
I don't like Octogawa.
I do. Guess what these are? Guys, guess what they are.
Mario.
The Mario fruit snack.
Mario Brothers! No trauma dumping on the playground.
You know.
Take the trash. You take the trash. No littering!
We're not littering. I'm making you take the trash. Take the
The man. Octogawa!